let us go to the substantive issue. Samia Tamils, you were not part of any campaign.
101. Campaign like what?
He was not part of any NDC campaign.
But no, send you president.
Not abruptly, no. You elections. And now, you had no office, you had no portfolio at the presidency. You had no portfolio. Now, Bibinti, I won't say much again on this matter. My joy, my happiness is that Otomipon Womatan Fuenin Odi Nukunku O Mitrimu Mikrua Yema Musu Yiniha Dohoye Bedi Meji Minkwa De Ni Na Ra Nyankupon Adia Waya Mami Esume Bupi Migwane Kopia Migwankwe Shefu Metina Yeho Wefi Kwame Mera, the Methodist Church of Ghana, Nakupon Shra, the presiding bishop, Dr. Boafu, President of the Republic, His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, Vice President Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia, the Republic, the Ghana Police, the Ghana Military, National Security, Ghanaians, the Ghana media. Everybody was there. Inti ya year, say si enyefena. Ni lanti eni Samia Tamils. Omuko bongu e. No, omai munu nyina nsi omuhu. Omuko bongu. Said omuko ye nra. Ye. The nation had finished celebrating the president. Ya ye. Musuma ko ho. Omuko ho no. Na enyefe.
Nefe, only efe. And
cardboard.
Okay,
101.7. Ye cardboard no, and ne.
Not cardboard ne se munso.
What I'm telling you? Horrible.
Oh, sir.
Kwame, ebusia kra. Yina sebe nipa wu ya dan for no old school union. D&D. Ye yenko unveiling tombstone. The late Vice President Mr. Atawuye, Eko Anveli Tombstone. Late President Rawlings Wuye, Eko Anveli Tombstone. President Mills, 10 years. Why not Anveli Tombstone? I a bit of a picture and say, O minor Anveli Tombstone, Eddie Kine. This is another President Akufo-Addo. Ako Anveli Tombstone. Methodist Church, Ako Anveli Tombstone. President, the born anything. One president buried, one president is honoring. What is the crime of the state?
Story be so na bandi around and say in the bust no na senka you throw Professor J.A. Mills edin egu na
bust na si ono. Why na si so?
Professor Mills si so.
Thank you. What else do you want? The whole assumption.
And now we go for JF Kennedy. A bust by ya true ni dia go. Meaning so we be social media.
Master, social media. Say adia yefe, yede yenka. The whole Assembly Park is about the late President Mills. Oko hoa, ubemu ne bust, ubemu ne grave, idin also, ubemu ne pictures atare hono munyina. So if the stand of the bus just says that this has been unveiled by His Excellency the President, representing the bus that is sitting on it. Sebe enye na nado bus ene tiso. Enye kokwanyi do bus ene tiso. Enye kwamiti kese bus ene tiso. Papa no, the President, the late President, the bus ne tia de na so. Nti ni din wo so a. What is it? What is it?
And now I make a complaint. Be say, baby, it was unveiled by the President, His Excellency, Danko Akufo-Addo, and assisted by Koku Anyidoho, CEO at Amazing. Once they send Kaudimba, means anything else what to be.
Oh, me. Ochina no pa. Omonko na mko pepa bini nyina mfrio. But the world knows that Koku Anyidoho led. Kwame, in my speech yesterday, Nehemiah, the broken down walls of Jerusalem. He was burdened. No the king of the time, Nehemiah, what is wrong with you? I can see that you are burdened. Who say baby? Or say, or any, you won't consume now, so I hope him. Baby, I may papa no more dano. Me paucho. Ubitia buame, na my any year. Or any say, Melbow, and on many bibiaco.
Now, I'm glad they wouldn't question me on Busai. I say, a dear Judah for better ye. We cried the almost to a secretary craft who may be.
Thank you. Into Kokwani do we wine. I dear way obey an assembly pack, and Basoda, and ye to me, and ya. On to me. The Sabalat me to buy us for Omedi Matem Kwame. Me can at the Kai Mankatame. Neba 8-year-old girl. Sichufe, a blavi, before my one do. Kwame Mokai, oh, year 2020. Nkofono say, Minamikuno, at the year Yankomadi. They say President Mills, Minamikuno. And then, who Samia Tamils, you say, who say your brother died in your hands. Hey, Kwame, Omampeni, Ewu Onipa Daseni, and Anipa Bakun, Benzemu.
Asabra incident here, no one can say way.
Kwame, 24th July, Anopa, Tuesday, President Ntiapo, in nam presidency. I went to my office, Nikoye Juma. Enumu, Nebeka Chereme. Nipa no buy na security. Charlie, I can no eti ingbe. Charlie, I rush like 37. Menele, none one na ehin kura Charlie. I rushed to 37.
But Sabra na office awe man. I don't know mama bo man ye no mu de ko e.
Matter, say na die. Ene de ko ni do say menye obia. I'm not everybody. Menye Nyankopon a me spirit am me wo babia. So at the BSc residency.
But they could have
residency.
Okay. It's your residency.
Residency.
Okay.
Our castle. I want to see and next one say my brother died in my hands.
No.
Sammy, how did your brother die in your hands? And where is the autopsy report?
And you doubt it?
Master, no, he said his brother died in his hands. I went to see the body at 37 military hospital, intensive care unit, and your children's ward, and your female ward, intensive care unit. Interestingly and incidentally, a couple of weeks before that, the president went to commission that new intensive care unit. Inti Kwame.
Na Koku.
Yes.
May found communion na there maybe said the last time crying say was say abusuafo say according to Yera Atamiso about Tamils was one the press conference there was parliament surrounded by Neil and Vanderpoint and NDC MPs be say abusuafo no parliament now and also your point too.
I'm telling you, Kwame, Ebusiafie parliament now. Into what the parliament and our year politics. And an Ilante, Esho Kutupa, and our year the away. Into Kwame, you see, President Akko Commissioner Sumjo Park, Vice President Woho, Service Commander, Same Military for share uniform, Abba, Sadi Nasi, Omunko Seno, and one no. So next year by this time, they see Neil and Tenny Sami Atamos as say as Japan. No. I go kwani do meeting baby. That's all. Minko hobi, minko yeshi, minko praho, minko yeshi. Almost say no. That's all.
But they say maintenance is going forward. To say
going forward, Kwame, the Republic of Ghana has remembered the late president, and so it is a state property. Coastal Development Authority in a CA contracted architect and Omayan Juma. and Atta Mills Institute. You see NGO. And then Sami Atta Mills say NGO. B.
I was so be no this year no didn't register NGO.
Now the Omaya Nancing, yet the register 100 years ago. Omo de Omokoya Nancing, Omokoya Ntoma, Omotong, Omodi Jisicano. That's the kind of going. Santoma na Omoya Omujicano, Equa Bayon. Now Asumji Park, I buy a better manage Bibia. And see, I'm buying Edgema because Neil and Vanderpoy, and Sami Atta Mills. Say Omo de Onkamunya, ya, Ombebaho, at the business. Yes, sir.
Marty.
Yes, sir. No, they come in, you tell me. They want to do business with it. They want to do business with it. I am not doing business with the name. I am not doing business. Boani abwa. Na kwame, sebe ni nipa bonini. Na omani ni nipa bonini ya. Na nkani ye na enrano. Anka ebiti mi ne. I grew up in Bima camp. When I see service commanders in uniform on a Sunday, I know what that means to the Republic. The police band was in attendance. The diplomatic community was in attendance. NDC go by. When it means all.
No pa, I check on the president Kokasai.
Iti Mensa is a founding member of the NDC. And Kribestia Kusechere is a founding member of the NDC. Alaji Baba Kamara is a founding member of the NDC. In fact, Alaji Baba Kamara was the first treasurer of the NDC. John Mahama is not a founding member of the NDC. Asiye Nunketia is not a founding member of the NDC. Ofosuwan Pofu is not a founding member of the NDC. If you NDC here, then I'm Mimi how anything. Neil and Vanderpoy is not a founding member of the NDC. Sami Atta Mills, not a founding member of the NDC. It's the NDC for Abba. Abeji, Omwadi and Omoya. Na Mone wine. Musa no wine. Pharisees, Sadducees, and Zealots.
Koku medasi anope.
Thank you.
Bese medasi. Ura Koku anyi de CEO Emma Atta Mills Institute. Yena atwen komo no. Yede ni nyina